Now the director, John Francis Burke, is actually blocking all the traffic on Broadway. And you know what? We love it. Where are we? This is Trinity Church. This is the oldest church in the city of New York, built in 1697 under a very interesting taxation system. In other words, the British taxed everyone who was living here in New York, no matter whether they believed or not. It did last for a few years, then it was destroyed by a great fire, just like many other buildings in New York. Was rebuilt, but then destroyed. Actually, the roof was destroyed by the heavy snowfall. Then it was built again with a fantastic brown stone that characterizes most of the fantastic brown stones we still see to this day in Harlem. And this is not only a beautiful, beautiful church overlooking Wall Street, where the actual wall was starting. The wall ran from the entrance of Trinity Church all the way to today's Pearl Street. This is also the burial place of none less than Alexander Hamilton, one of the founding fathers of the United States, killed by Aaron Burr after a duel that was actually fought in Weehawken, New Jersey. With no further ado, keep taking a look at this fantastic, beautiful church.